Okay, Bella, I saw what you did on your homework when we were working on this fraction, 4/5. And I was really happy to see that you looked at your denominator and you figured out that you had to divide your whole, this whole right here, into 5 parts. And I see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. But I wanted to point out that when we're looking at those parts, it's really important that they're equal. And I want you to look at your parts and see if you think that they're equal. I think that one of them is a little bit bigger than the others. This one right here. This one. This one looks about twice as big as these ones. So when we're working on our geoboard, that's pretty easy to fix because these are rubber bands. So we can just floop that back over there. I'll erase this. And then our parts are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we were going to show 5/5, let me erase this all the way. I'm sorry, 4/5. Now look over here at our numerator. This is the number that tells us to count the parts that we're representing in our fraction. So we need to count out 4 parts. I'll use my highlighter again and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can try to color that in a little bit more evenly. But you get the idea that this is a fraction that's representing 1, 2, 3, 4/5. Now, one more thing before we're done. The thing about equal parts in fractions is their size doesn't really matter. They just have to be relatively equal. So we can actually stretch this rectangle out even a little bit more and stretch these guys down. And we still have a representation of 1, 2, 3, 4/5, even though they're a lot longer. Or we could stretch it all the way up here and make it really tiny. Boing. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have also a representation of 4/5. All right, hope that makes sense.